Put back in there where you get it from. One hot man.
Leave me alone.
Just stop me, my girl. Yo.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you fell amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being used. Mr. Nonchalant, thanks for keeping it so cool. Hey, Mr. Nonchalant, do you know your role? I dream you're nothing special, but I could never believe that. But you let me put on that dress that was purple. That you only stay 'cause you hate being hurt for love. Oh God, oh, what are you saying?
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Kayla.
Kayla? Turn around, let me see you. Okay. I think this is the right description that I get. Take your bag and come. I'm going to take you off the street. Just come. We'll talk about this when we get home because the rain is coming down. Let's go. Let me help you. Come. Let's go. Let's go. Somebody told me about you, that you in need of help, and I'm here to help you. My name is Verona, right?
Okay.
I'm taking you by my home. You're going to be okay, right?
Okay, Verona.
We can shelter right here. Get some shelter. Oh God. You can see that the rain is falling, so we have to shelter right here, okay? So we're just giving the rain some time, and as soon as it calm down a little bit, then we can go home, right? Hello? Hello? Yeah.
The next thing, just gonna say nothing really. The thing I say, I don't mention nothing about, don't mention my name to or anything like that.
Okay, no problem, but why though?
As we say, don't mention nothing about that.
All right.
If I really know me can talk, you know, so later.
All right, no problem. I won't. I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
That was my son on the phone.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's go now.
You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I had plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart.
This is where I live, yeah? You can come inside and you don't have to be shy. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. Alright. Can put your slippers over there. You see rain and fall on the veranda wait up, you know, so you have to understand. When the rain finish, we just wipe off the veranda.
Okay.
Alright, hold on a second. I'm gonna get the mop so you can wipe off your foot here.
Yes.
Just give me less than a minute.
Okay.
Here.
Hmm?
Just wipe your foot on this.
Okay.
Alright. Problem, no problem. You can have a seat, you know. You can sit down. Feel at home, man. Don't worry yourself.
Nice.
Thank you. You alright?
Yeah.
Don't worry yourself. Just feel free. Feel like you're there, your own home, your personal home. So anything that you need, you can tell me, right?
Okay.
Anything you want, just ask me for it. As long as I have it, I'll give it to you. I'm going to try and to look about something so you can get something to eat here.
Yeah.
I did already have some food around there, so I'm just gonna warm it up in the microwave and let you get it. Okay. You can put down the bags, you know. Put them down. Put them at the corner. And come and have your food now. Hope you enjoy your meal. Come over here. Sit down. And make sure you pray before you eat. You hear me?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Somebody told me about you. The person told me that you're in need of help. And I think that I'm the perfect person who can help you. Because I can see the first time I met you on the street that you're in need of help. And I'm here to help you with anything that you need, feel free to ask for whatever you need, right?
Okay.
Enjoy your meal. Remember to pray first. Right?
Um,
Right.
Father God, as I come to you today, I ask you.
Enjoying your meal?
Yes.
Okay. Um,
Hmm?
where are you from? I didn't get the chance to ask you on the street because I didn't want anybody to hear what I was asking you and for you to get, you know, a little way down or feeling insult. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Just gonna ask you a few questions if you don't mind. Where are you from?
I'm from Petersfield.
So what about your mom and your dad?
My father, I never really grew up with my father. He never really around. I grew up with my mommy. My mommy named Poochie.
Huh?
My mommy named Poochie.
And what's your dad's name?
I don't really know.
So
I grew up with him.
You don't know nothing about them?
I don't really know nothing about my father, but I know about my mother.
Okay.
My dad grew up with my
All
father.
right, don't worry about it. That's okay. I'll talk about this another time. Yeah, enjoy your food.
Okay.
I'm going around by the room, and then after you finish, I'll show you your room where I'm gonna let you sleep. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Enjoy your meal?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Miss Verona, can I ask you one question?
Go ahead. Feel free.
How you really help me?
Just give me a minute. Let me move this. All right. I need to set them different after we finish eat.
Okay.
Yes. So sometimes I like to change up the place, you know. Yes. So it look unique and nice. Okay. The question that you asked me, why did I help you? Okay. My life is history. I've been through a lot of stuff in real life, and I do understand needs and wants. You understand?
Yes.
My mother, she have a lot of children, but there's no father. It is so sad to talk about it, but I'm gonna definitely tell you what I've been through. Some, not all, because my life is a history. As I said before, it's a book, a big book, and it's not easily to read. It would take you years to finish read my book of my life story in the past. I mean, when I said a lot, I meant sufferation, Like hunger, real hunger. We have to eat dumpling and butter. So I try to have this in my heart from a tender age that when I grow up, I'm going to try to help many people that I can, because my life was rough. It was tough. I didn't have it. I get sleepless nights. As I said, I sleep on the street. I have no help. Only God was there for us. I don't know how we make it different from God helping us, else we couldn't make it. And I wouldn't be here today that I can help somebody like you. It is so sad. I can't believe that I've been through so many stuff and God bring me this far. So let me tell you something. Don't give up on life. God is there for everybody. He's in control. Your mother maybe not have it. Your father maybe neglect you. But don't give up. I am a woman. You're a woman. When I say you're a woman, I know you're a lady, you're a child. I do understand. But if you can feel or see where I'm coming from in my past, you will understand. But God is going to be there for you all the way. Don't give up. Okay?
Miss Verona, it come like it have been hard in your time. I'm sorry, yeah?
Yes, I did
Yeah.
have it real hard. So I try my best to help everybody that I can. Anything that you need, as I said to you before, when you just came in,
Yes.
just ask for it. As long as I can give it to you, I will. Don't be afraid.
Okay.
Yes. I'm gonna let you see the room that you're going to sleep in, right?
Okay.
But first, tell me a little bit about yourself and why you were on the street.
Okay. My story not as sad as yours. You see, my mother, I don't know what to say about her, but she did there with this young boy. My mother treat me bad. Picture when she sent me to school. When she sent me to school, I put to school. I never get no subject or nothing like that. So my mother asked her if she make me go back in a school. But she never did want me go back in a school. She did want me go work at one bar which part she work. She started tell me about man and what they can give me. And I never like that. And then she all take away the man money and want blame it on me. And she make me and man sleep in a bed together. I did feel uncomfortable. I will pass something me go through. I just don't want to talk about it.
I understand. But don't worry. I've been through a lot and I passed the worst. Who God bless, no man curse. If God can help me, God can help you too.
Yes, God help me.
Just don't give up.
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Let me show you your room. Come, let me show you your room. Oh, the plate. Oh, you ate everything. I like that. I think you were a little bit hungry. Okay, no problem. Alright, let's go. Okay. Alright. This room,
Yes.
it was my son's room. But you know when them get big and them feel like they're ready to go up on their home, we as mother can't do nothing about it. We have to just allow them. You understand?
Yes, I
Let
understand.
them go explore and enjoy the world and face all what they want to face out there, the consequences. You understand? But he already know that whenever time he want to come and visit me, he can come. But don't worry, this room is yours and yours forever. You understand?
Yes.
He's not gonna come and sleep here. He's not living here anymore. So this is your bed. Go on.
Thanks.
You can go on it and
No, in the bed.
you wanna have your shower before you go on the bed?
Yeah, but it look lovely and nice.
Thank you.
And thank you for everything you do for me here.
You're welcome.
Enough people will help me.
Thank you, honey. Oh, you're such a lovely girl.
Thanks.
I'm gonna show you motherly love, fatherly love, every love that you never get in your whole life.
Thanks.
Right? Okay. Love
Love you too.
When you're ready, the bathroom is on the right, so you can just go in there and use it and have your shower, right? I'm gonna go inside the kitchen and get the plates washed, right?
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna wash the plates.
Okay. Hello?
Kayla, baby, where are you?
Mommy?
Yes, Kayla, where are you? You know, see, I have me worried. We can't eat, we can't sleep, nothing. Where the Kayla?
Mommy, mommy.
Come on.
Mommy, I don't have time for this right now, mommy. Me alright. Me don't have time for all of this.
Just come on, Kayla. Come, you want to say you're alright, Kayla. Just come. Come on, me baby, please. Mommy, I'm ambitious. You're alright, Kayla. Just come home.
Mommy, me alright now, mommy. Everything is fine. God provide for me. Bye-bye.
I overheard your conversation. I'm not mad at you. That's okay. But you told me you're 19. That means you're an adult. So at the end of the day, you have a choice to choose whether you want to stay or to go back to your mother. You understand?
Yes, I want to stay.
I'm not going to run you away. I will not run you away, right? But what I wanted you to do is to continue to communicate with your mother by calling her, talking to her, let you feel love of a daughter to a mother, right?
Okay.
Next thing I wanted you to do is to give me her number so I can get in touch with her.
Alright.
And you don't have to really explain anything more. If she done anything bad to you or whatever, you feel bad to go back home to her, that's okay. That's fine. I understand. But just show your mother love. You understand?
Okay, Miss Verona.
You can say Auntie Verona. That's fine. You're my family now.
Okay. I just don't want to go back home.
That's okay.
Me traumatized and me digging.
I understand. Don't worry about it. I'm here for you, okay? All right, but remember to get in touch with your mother, right?
Yeah, me call her at daytime. Me shouldn't say me alright.
All right, just give me your number. Okay. I'm gonna get in touch with her. But remember to call her all the time.
Okay, I will call her.
Because I can hear her voice. It sounds very sad and she miss you real bad. Okay?
So why should that treat me bad when me did it?
I don't know, and I don't want to go through that. I can hear her voice in the background. It sounds real sad. I heard it. Don't worry. Just be happy, right? Okay.
Hello?
Kayla,
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, thank God. Girl, why you not answer the call here? Why you not calling for just right here?
The phone dead.
So where are you?
Javier, don't worry yourself. Me alright. Me there somewhere well comfortable. But you didn't want to help me. Somebody help me.
Could you enter the time, Kayla? Oh God, you can't blame me.
No, me not blame you. I met her something alright, girl. Everything well alright.
You know what you're gonna get station for you?
No, she got station for
You
me.
know what you're gonna fix report for you, Kayla?
Me no miss her. Me alright.
Yeah, you don't know what to think. So, where are you? Let us tell me for you now.
No. Me well comfortable.
Right. You just want to say, alright.
Girl, me alright.
Sure, you're good.
Me great, everything good. God make it work
Nobody
out.
now, what you asking nobody, I will be there.
Nobody now want me hostage. Me good.
Sure, I'm pleased. When we call you, just answer, please.
Yes, me have current no. Remember, step on the roadside, me did there one at a time, you know. You wouldn't know, cause you never help me. You put your man over me.
Girl, just don't make it sweet that way, okay?
Okay, you good though.
No, we're not being for your eye.
Yeah, one end there me look for you, but I don't know.
Alright, just make sure we call me. Alright?
Alright, later.
Alright.
Javia, in the time of need, you really tell me what kind of friend you be. Couldn't believe it, no, sir. Thank you, Father God.
Hello? This is Miss Verona speaking. I have your daughter here with me. Okay. I found her on the street. And I don't like that kind of lifestyle for a young girl. And she told me that she's 19. Is that really true? You know, they're taking advantage of the young girls on the street. And I don't like that idea to see a young girl on the street strain. And, you know, men will take advantage of them, abusing them. You know what I mean? So I just have her with me and I just concerned about the lifestyle that she's living. And I want you to know that she's here with me. So please feel free. If you want to call this number, this is my number, and get in touch with me to speak to her, or you could call her number. No problem. She's here with me and she's okay. She can come by you anytime she wish, or you can come and visit her too. No problem. What? Why are you going to call the police? What did I done wrong? She was on the street. And I just tried to help. I didn't do anything to her. I'm not harming her. I just told you that you can come and visit. I can give you the address. That's fine with me. Like, seriously? I did not do your daughter anything. I just tried to help. Because I know what in need and want is. Because I have experience of needs and wants. What did you call me just now? Really? And you don't know me from anywhere? Like, seriously? Ma'am, I do not want to disrespect you on the phone. I'm an adult. I do understand how you felt. You're feeling upset. But it's fine to talk to me in a better manner. You don't have to curse. Ma'am, can't you have a proper conversation with somebody? Like, seriously? I am so sorry. You need to get some reasoning ability in your head and know how to talk to people. I'm an adult and your daughter is 19 and you just told me that she is 19. So she's free to stay if she wants, and she's free to come and look for you whenever time she wants. I ain't gonna force her to stay with me. Now I can see that something is really going on in that family. There's a big problem there and you need to solve it. You're the mother. This girl is so traumatized. Like seriously? She really hung up on me? Huh. That's okay. No problem. Kayla?
That's just Verona.
Just up a little bit. I just spoke to your mother and I definitely do not like the way how she speaks to me.
I'm sorry about that.
She's ignorant. But I can understand. I'm not upset with you.
Okay.
I'm not gonna get mad at you, right? Okay. But if you want to go by her, feel free to go. You can come back by me anytime.
Miss Verona, I do not want to go by my mother. I'm
Huh?
okay here.
Oh, you're okay here. I knew
Yes.
that. I already know. But she's upset. She wants you to come by her to come and live. And I can definitely see that she's so sad and she needs you back home.
No, she not sad, Miss Verona. She alright.
But I can hear it. I can hear the voice way down. Sadness coming out. She's getting upset. She's getting real mad.
My mother is a very good pretender.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
But please do not put me out.
I won't. Don't worry about it.
I really like it here, okay? And if me never left my passport, could I show you say me I'm 19. But I true me left it then I'm my mother.
Don't worry about it, Kayla. I believe you. She just told me that you're 19. You don't have to show me. Don't worry about the passport. You understand?
Yes.
But you can call your mother and talk to her, right?
Okay.
Okay. You're going to stay with me. Don't worry. But I'm going to get a shower now. You know, I've been home all day. I've been working, going around the house, taking up this and that. I'm tired now, and I think I need to have a shower.
Okay.
So I'm going to have my bath, right?
Right.
All right, cool. Oh, Kayla,
Yes?
the TV's right there. You can turn it on. You know the power button. You're 19.
Yes.
You understand the remote, right? You can turn it on and watch whatever you want.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, feel free. Hello? I'm at home, my son. Yes, Junior. I'm at home. Yes. With your new sister. Come and let me introduce her to you. Yes, I'm here. Okay, my dear son. That was my son. He's coming over to say hi to me, so I'm going to introduce you to him, right?
Okay.
Okay. So what are you watching?
Movie. Lifetime movie.
Lifetime movie? So you're enjoying it?
Yes.
Okay, let me sit beside you and see what you're watching. I love to watch Lifetime. Okay.
Mama,
The grill is open. Come inside.
Hold on, mommy. Good.
Alright.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Who is that? Junior?
Yeah, me.
Come in.
What I do a call, sir? Can I come in?
Yeah, you can come.
Yeah, call. Do a call, sir. So I'm going good?
Open.
No, some day I don't matter. But anyways, I'm come picture differently, but is remember I was just me say I always want to help people. Yeah, me been a past this girl up by Rolling River. But everybody I tell me say she homeless. And she not have nowhere to go and she always go away and come back there, go away and come back there. So true you always want to help somebody, me think say you would help her. Right? She dey in our grey blouse and you have pink stripe around them place and she have two boxes like she have luggage. But she say I always want to help people because you're a woman of God and yeah, so I'm just a tell her. So this is your opportunity to be the person that we say you want to be.
Okay. So, can I go up by Roaring River?
Yes.
How far do I have to go? Do I have to ask question where she?
Mommy, it's when I go rolling river. Rightish part, the two bar there, the container bar them. The girl right there say long hair girl with the two bags, you can't miss her.
Okay.
Yeah. But anyways, you know what I say, we not go tight. Where you going there? And I don't know there. Matter of fact, me can't tarry. You understand? Me just come to make you know. Make you try to be a saver today, so we call you and make you know and find out if you reach to her and you get her to come. So we call you. Or you call me and make me know when you pick her.
No problem.
Alright.
I'm gonna check and see if I find her, right?
Alright. Later.
Okay. Boy, Father God, I'm gonna go right now and check. Because I always imagine and dreaming that I need a daughter. So I'm gonna leave right now. Yes. You two know each other?
No, mommy. Don't worry. I really know her. Don't worry. Don't tell.
This guy is not easy at all. He stole the lady car and then called the police on her. Like, seriously? OMG.
Veronica, I'm going to use the bathroom. I'm going to use the bathroom.
So my son, which one of the breeze blow your hair now?
Well, you know, so still mother no breeze and really blow me come here, no, but you see, you cuss me off the last time. I tell me say, if you change how me I live and if you do better, yeah. Yeah, look funny, you know, so I say I stay out there for a while. More while, me even say when I get my apartment and come back as a film, but yeah, about to visit her, so I just want, you know, so I miss my mother, but I say I can give mother a check and thing, you know, see if you're come on, you say me dash you, no me you cuss, you cuss me, but as a mother word that it will happen, as long as you have a mother, it will happen, so I know watch no face, you know, because you don't know you're my mother already.
I understand. All right. Okay, Junior. Thank you to introduce me to this young girl, right? And that was nice of you to telling me about her so I can get her off the street because young men like you, we have to protect these young girls from men like you at your age. And another thing, I was supposed to call you to talk to you about this, you know. You know, I always do, but it's been a while. And that thing that you're doing, you need to stop.
I stop going to the money for a game, yeah, talk about me not come up to talk about the game. I understand the game and game, I don't know, say the game have to play. If I play the game right, you go win. If I play the game right, you understand.
Listen to me. Don't let me get upset on you, right? You know that I'm in my church. And I do not want you to speak like that under this roof. You understand me?
Don't worry, mate.
You need to get a job and stop doing what you're doing. It is not right. Because I don't want to be in my sleep and police calling me, telling me that they hold my son down by the station for something that is wrong. So I'm not going to support you with what you're doing.
Mommy.
You need to stop and find yourself a job.
Mommy.
It's not right. You're just saying mommy, mommy all the time.
So
I'm
listen to me now.
constantly talking to you about this. And it's like you're hearing me, but you're not listening to me. You need to listen.
Yeah,
Find
man.
yourself a job.
You don't some respect, you know.
I know, but you do not respect yourself because as far as I can see, you don't care if you end up in jail.
Listen,
What
mommy.
you're doing is wrong. You need to stop, please.
Alright, you hear me I say. You see out there now, you see young youth like we, about not busy about we. You understand? You ever go for the road and you see one two vendor I sell this and I sell that. I try to make a money because life hard. You understand? You come closer to you so you can hear me I say.
This woman is a big woman. For you, she can be your mother. And if you never know, or if you want to know how I heard about this, my church sister told me about you and that woman.
So mommy, you can
Why don't you look somebody your size or your age group? You know, the both of you can like sit down and talk about your future and plan to live a better life and stop doing what you're doing.
So,
Every way and every step of your life that I'm talking to you about, you're wrong.
so mommy, we can ask you one question.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
You go to church now.
Yes, I do.
And your church is you said to her.
I don't
So how
want to go back through that.
so how when you go and like you act like say church people that mix up. The church
No,
sister
no.
mix up, you know.
No. That is my church sister. You need to understand that she's an adult and she already knew that you're my son.
Yes,
I don't think she's mixed up.
Anyways, mommy, enough for talking and the lecturing because every time I come over here, you have something to say about the game what me I do. But anyways, now you take me come empty handed, you understand? So tomorrow, all I'm on this, you understand?
Hold on. What?
I give me
Hold
have this
on,
money.
what?
And I give me have a big big
Hold on what?
money, mommy.
Like seriously, Junior,
Junior, girl.
you know that I am not going to take that money.
Mommy, sometimes you have a son.
That money that is in your hand, you get it dishonest. That is a dishonest money.
Mommy, me never steal, you know. I never steal.
Dishonestly, yes.
Mommy, them give me willingly.
Whatever you're doing is stealing. And I don't want it. I'm not interested. And you know that I'm not going to take it. Why are you forcing the money on me?
Mommy.
I'm not hungry.
Yeah.
You need to take it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maya, get the girl something. You understand?
Me, get the girl some. Take it up.
Mommy, stop going.
Else I'm
stop
going to burn it. What,
Mommy, why you have to burn? You know.
what did I say?
Why you have to burn money?
What did I
hard-working
say
money
just
work?
now?
Mommy, why you want to burn the hard working money when me work for?
Did you work for it?
Mommy,
Question.
me have to talk 5, 6, 7, 8 hours a day before me can get $1.
Like seriously.
You know how that hard? Me?
It was nice talking to you. Nice seeing you again.
Oh,
I hope you stop
ready
with what
to-
you're
ready to
doing
make a
and
meal.
change your lifestyle. I'll follow you. Okay?
Every
Have a
time I
nice
see
day.
You know, mommy, I them type away and me
No
leave.
problem because, listen,
Yes.
you
Yeah,
know what?
you're good
That's
still,
okay.
you know?
Go on. Go ahead.
Love you, same way, your mother.
Love you too, but you need to stop do what you're doing. Kayla? Kayla, come here.
Come in.
Are you okay?
Yes.
You sure?
Where's your school?
Oh, he just left.
Okay.
Kayla,
Yes.
you know my son?
No. Never seen before in my life.
Okay. Kayla,
Yes.
the reason why I asked you if you know my son is because everybody know him. And I don't know if you heard anything about him. You understand?
Yes. No, not about you.
Okay, no problem. Just asked him.
In the bed she also slept in. Did I ask for too much? Isn't my fault, I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you when you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I made plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart.
Okay, Kayla,
Yes.
I'm thinking about you last night that I want you to start to attend church. So I'm gonna get you some church clothes, right?
Okay, no problem.
Yes. And you don't need to feel any way when you go to the church because there's a lot of young people in the church who are trying to change their life and be a better person. So you can do so. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Good. Anyway, I need this thing. Maybe to go over on that side tomorrow because I'm gonna have some visitors. So maybe I'm gonna change these flowers and this vase. You understand? And put a different one in
Yes.
it.
Would I help you?
You can, no problem. Anyway,
Yes.
the drink was nice. Hang on. I'm getting a call. Oh. Hello, Sister Joy. How are you doing? I'm blessed. Thank you. Okay, so you want me to teach Sunday school? That's not a problem. Yes. No problem. Okay, I'll be there in the morning. No problem. Yes, I'll call you back. No problem. Thank you. Kayla?
In the bed she also
Kayla, you okay?
Did I ask for too much?
Kayla?
Isn't my fault, I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you when you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married.
Oh my God, you're chewing up, Kayla.
Don't even know what you want.
Come here. Let me talk to you.
I made plans for us in January.
Have a seat. Careful. Kayla,
Yes.
how you feeling?
Alright.
You're not okay. You're throwing up. I'm just wondering if it's the fruit punch that you just drank. Maybe it's expired or something. You want me to take you to the doctor?
No.
You're not okay. I'm gonna have to take you to the doctor, okay?
No, I don't feel like I'm going to go to doctor.
No, I have to take you to the doctor. I'm not gonna have you here sick and just looking at you like that. You need to see the doctor.
Maybe a bad stomach.
Well, we can't know that until we see the doctor, okay? I definitely have to take her to the doctor. This is serious. Kayla,
Yes, Auntie
I'm
Verona.
going to ask you some personal questions. Okay? I'm a woman. And when we women have or see certain signs, is only one thing come to our mind. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, so I need you to tell me the truth. Okay? Are you sexually active?
Not really.
Not really? Not really. Kayla, look at me. Look at me. You can trust me to tell me anything. I may be not your biological mother, but remember, you're with me and I'm responsible for you. Anything happen to you, you can feel free to talk to me about it. It's fine. I will listen to you. I won't harm you. I'm not going to drive you away from my home. Remember, you're like a daughter to me, and I love you dearly. So I believe that you can have the heart to believe that you can trust me to tell me anything. Okay?
Yes, Auntie Verona. We could tell you, but me never tell nobody, not even my closest friend, because I did feel shame. One time, my mother did make somebody stay in my room with me, and certain things happen, and I never tell nobody.
So, that thing that you're talking about, it was unprotected?
Yes, I never use anything.
No protection, nothing?
Nothing at all.
I have a strong feelings that you're pregnant. Those symptoms that you're seeing and feelings, I don't really want to assume, but those are the signs of pregnancy. So I am going to take you to the doctor, but before I take you to the doctor, I'm going to go to the pharmacy and get you a pregnancy test
Okay.
to make sure, okay?
Okay, Miss Veronica.
But don't worry, I'm here for you. All right. I'm going inside my room, yeah?
Okay.
Don't worry. But if anything happens, I'm going to have to let your mother know. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Isn't my fault, I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you when you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married.
Auntie,
Yes, I'm here.
you can come in.
Okay. I thought the door closed with the key.
No.
All right. Oh my God. I'm so tired.
Alright?
Yes. It was a long day out there, but I got the pregnancy test for you. Have you ever used it before?
No, Auntie, no.
Okay. This is the pregnancy test. So you need to go inside the restroom. Okay?
Yes.
And you're gonna get one of the disposable cup that you see underneath the cupboard, right?
Yes.
Then you urinate in the cup. Disposable cup is inside the bathroom, right? After you finish urinating the cup, you're going to tear this here, open it, and take out this thing, feel it. There's a thing in there that is going to say whether you're pregnant or not. Okay?
Okay.
So make sure you pour it inside the thing after you finish urinate inside the cup. Take your little time, don't mess yourself up. Then you take it to me. Okay?
Okay.
So as soon as we're done and find out what's going on, you wash your hands with the soap and dry it with the towel. Remember to take it back to me after you're done, right?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, you're welcome.
Dear Auntie.
Oh my God. Kayla,
Yes, Auntie.
you're pregnant. You're going to have a baby. You are. See these two lines? That means that you're pregnant. If it was one line, you're not pregnant. But this proves,
Seriously, Auntie?
yes, this is proving that you're pregnant.
Seriously, Auntie. My future mash up.
In the backseat, oh so slept in. Did I ask for too much? Isn't my fault, I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you when you said that you did.
Don't cry. Kayla, look at me. This is not the end of the world. Bringing a child in this world, it is a blessing. I know you didn't want to get pregnant at this time, but it is behind your control. Okay? But God is in control of everything. He knows what's best. So don't be scared. I'm here for you. I will help you straight to the end. Okay?
Okay, Auntie.
And God is with you. Always remember to pray. So when it's time for you to have your child, you have a safe delivery. Okay? And I love you, and I'm going to love your child too. Okay?
Auntie.
Okay, don't cry. Don't worry. You want something to drink?
Water.
You want water? That's what you're feeling for?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a minute. There you go.
Hey, Mr. Nonchalant, are you happy with how we ended? Is it warm enough? In the bedsheet, oh so slept in. Did I ask for too much? Isn't my fault, I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you confused when you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I made plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you felt amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being used, Mr. Nonchalant. Thanks for keeping it so cool. Hey, Mr. Nonchalant, do you know your role? I dream you're nothing special, but I could never believe that. But you let me put on that dress that was purple. Did you only stay 'cause you hate being hurtful? Oh God, oh, what are you saying?
Kayla! What are you doing? Kayla, don't do that. Are you trying to harm yourself? Listen, anyone who try to harm themselves have no lot and part with God. Get down. Kayla, I told you that I'm going to be there with you until the end. I am going to help you. You do not have to do this to yourself. You're not taking only one life, you're taking two. And God will punish you. Do you want to go to hell?
No.
Huh?
No, Auntie.
Why did you follow the devil to do such a thing like this? Huh? The Lord said, anyone who do this to themselves, he have anything, nothing at all. He don't have anything to do with them. So if you do this, no one will come to your funeral. Because if the Lord said he has nothing to do with persons who do something like this to themselves, why should I go to the person's funeral? Kayla, I love you. It's okay. Everything is going to be okay. Listen, let's sleep in my room tonight. You don't have to be by yourself. Go in my room.
I made plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you fell amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being
Kayla,
Yes, Auntie.
you were supposed to come to church with me, but I know you're not feeling so well. I'm going to leave you now and go to church service, so take care of yourself. And anything you want to eat, you can go ahead and have whatever.
Okay, Auntie.
All right. Be careful, yeah?
Yeah, same to you, Auntie.
All right.
Who is it?
A Junior.
Junior. Who let you in here?
You can't tell me that. Am I mother place this, you know?
Your mother is not here.
Feel like
Your mother is not here, Junior.
is a hug me come for.
Which hug? Let me go. Don't come no closer now.
What you doing knife?
Tell them what that's so. No, come no closer now.
You know if you use knife?
Mr. Tell them what that's so, me say.
Throwing knife to my girl. What do you? You come good to you. You're there my mother place. You're sleeping in my room. You who are me, you know? I'm just, you can all thing you can do for me, I just.
Tell them what that's so, me say, me now, you know. Me now go.
Just a one
Go
hug, you
on
know.
to the door, your mother not there, me say. Tell me what you say.
My girl, relax now. Watch out. You see this? You see if this a fire, you know, no chance against me. Cause me can't turn over this and hurt you, know. You can't turn over this and hurt me. You understand?
I know say have gold.
Mama,
Shoot me.
Mama, man, me, she not road. You think me have to have me one prop. You think me have to have my burn up on me. Because I'm a chopper in the road. Eh? Put on a knife over this for my girl and just give me one hug. Go on with me and go. I could have harmed me, you know. And me not harm you. I just take one little friendly nice hug. I have be so.
Alright, one hug and go. One hug and go.
Put on a knife over this then, no.
Wait.
Put back in there where you get it from.
Put it there.
One hug, man. Hold up back now. Break down the little there. Come on, go in the room.
Leave me alone.
You stop me, my girl. Yo.
Tell me about this one. Hush.
You enjoy movie, man. So subscribe now, man. So, man, subscribe, man. See you button there.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.